and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my peace palace. Okay, I'm fine. Apparently I can't walk and try to watch this camera at the same time. So anyways, I want to take you on a tour of my she shed, which I happily call my peace palace. I spend 95% of my time in here. The only reason I leave is to use the restroom and go to bed, which I wouldn't mind having a bed out here. Come on, Jerry. Here's my helper. That's Jerry. So here it is. Let me turn the AC off for a second. A little loud. This shed is a 10 by 20. And it came completely empty. And I had some people help me, or they actually did all the work. I sat and watched, help me put up everything. This is pine and tongue and groove. I feel like I need to put some kind of coating on it, just not quite sure, like a clear coating or something. I'm not really sure about that yet. I do sell on Etsy and Amazon handmade, and these are some of my items. I don't have everything up yet. I'm still trying to get everything moved in. This is where I sit, and crochet. And I did get that cubicle there. I got it from IKEA, and you can stand it up or lay it down. I wanted to use it for a TV stand. And then here's some more items I have. I bought the pegboards on Amazon, and then I just used wallpaper to cover them just to give some color in here. And then this is my sign, Peace Palace. I'm going to hang that above the door, but I need to finish up some things on the door. And I did buy, I don't know if you can tell, it's really blingy. I only bought one because I thought, ooh, how cool. But now I'm like, wow, that would really, I don't know, really bling up the place. Here's my cabinet of yarn. That's not all of it. I still have more in the house. I just haven't brung it out yet. I do have a plant that I've had for 2 months and it's still alive. I'm really happy about that. Here's my table that I used to cut out. The back does fold down. I got this from Joann's. So far, it's worked out pretty good. I thought maybe just to keep things cleaner in here, I would fold it down every time, but I don't do that at all. So that's where it's at. This has 2 doors on it. They came like this. I really wanted to get some different doors. Let me zoom out a little bit. But budget-wise, I ran out of money. So for now, these will be fine until I can find something different. They're not the best of doors. They do lock. I will probably never use this one because it is a pain to get this thing pulled up. Anyway, here's my computer area. I do have a mini fridge, which is full of beer right now. I have some more pegboards. I got these from Five Below. Wish I could have found more. And right now, this is what I'm using for an AC. I don't really recommend it if you live somewhere really hot because it does not keep up. My plans are to get a mini split, which I'm saving up for it right now. Because with the mini split, it will have heat and air. And this got done the very end of March, and I just used a little heater a little space heater, and it worked okay, but I don't know, they just make me nervous about leaving them on all the time because, you know, when you've got sewing machines and computers, you kind of need to keep it uh, to where it doesn't get too cold or too hot for them. So I used a little space heater and just monitored it really, really well. But yeah, mini split, that's my next purchase for sure. I'm really not quite sure what kind to get. I've done a lot of research and I'm gonna put it right here. I wanted to put it kind of in the middle. I've heard a lot of good things about mini splits, that they're quiet and they do put out good air and heat. So that's my plans. But here's a really cool chair that my daughter-in-law gave to me. Isn't that cool? This is Jerry's little bed, but he mostly uses the chair. So right now, I've got so many projects going. Right now, I use my scrap yarn to make hats because I have a big craft fair coming up in October, and I'm trying to get ahead of the game, and I'm not doing very well because that's all I have made. This is my board of sold out items by Yarn Color. Now, I can walk into my kitchen and forget why I even walked in there. But for some reason, I can remember almost 50 colors of the exact name of this yarn, and I just don't get it. This is a cool, I think I got that at Home Goods. It's a candle. And this is one of my sewing machines. I do have 4. One of them is I think it's a 1960-ish Singer that was my grandma's, but it needs looked at right now. Man, that thing's a workhorse. It will sew through anything. This is a t-shirt quilt I'm in the process of making. I flipped it over because I didn't want, just in case the person I'm making it for sees it, it is a surprise, and I did not want that person to see it, so I flipped it over. Hopefully I can show it soon done. I'm at a standstill right now because I can't decide how I'm going to make it, because some of my t-shirt quilts I actually crochet around the edges, but I'm not sure I want to do it with this one because some of the material isn't t-shirt material, it's more fabric-y. I'm afraid it will end up ripping out. These are the signs I use for craft fairs because a lot of people like to use their phones. Sometimes I'm in an area where, sorry, I'm trying to move, where there's no service, and sometimes these will work. This is my little toolbox. It was such a craze. I had to have one, even though I really wanted green and they didn't have any green ones. I'd really love to have the green one, but whatever. So this is it. I love this place. I just don't leave. It's so relaxing. But this is my first video, so please bear with me. I don't really know what I'm doing. I just really wanted to start a channel. I would like to make more videos, but I'm not quite sure what to do yet. So if you have any suggestions on what you'd like to see or anything like that, please drop a comment, and please like and subscribe to my channel. I will try to get another one next week if I can think of something. I just love this place and I wanted to share. Everyone needs one. Thank you.